It's almost time to tip off the annual Liberty and Justice Unity basketball event in Hamilton this Saturday. As they've done for the last 2 decades, the Hamilton Police All-Stars face off against Liberty for Youth's Prodigal Sonz in an inspiring basketball game. Joining us today with a preview are Frederick Dryden from Liberty for Youth, as well as Staff Sergeant David McKenzie and Constable Liam McCowell from Hamilton Police. A jam-packed house like it's going to be this coming Saturday. Tell us about this event. This is 21 years now.
Yeah, 21 years. It's awesome. And these guys, they're up. They've beaten us 11 times.
Wow.
So, and 9 for us. So this year, we're coming for these guys. Yeah.
What's the message of this game?
Unity. Bringing, there's a narrative in the community that police and youth are against each other. The reality is that from my experience, it's actually the opposite. And this event culminates with that to show that like the youth want to have a relationship with police, and they also want to beat us, which makes it fun.
Really?
Because like these are the kids that we interact with, and then we have unique relationships with them, and I think it's kind of cool. But we've got a good squad this year. I've actually cut myself from the team.
Oh wow, it's that good.
Because the players are so much better.
Okay.
So we'll see how it goes.
Constable Cal, what's it like playing in this game?
Well, I'm actually lucky to be on the team because I'm one of the last guys to come off the bench. But it's all about the role you play. No, honestly, Rick, it's about the youth, and it's an amazing opportunity for us to come together with the youth, and they can see, hey, I'm playing basketball with this officer. This guy's not trying to catch me doing something wrong. Not saying that the youth are doing wrong things, but when you're a kid, you've got barriers to police, and we're trying to break through those barriers. Thanks to Frederick for planning this and bringing us together and giving us the opportunity. And it's a great chance for us to blend with the youth and have some fun, shoot some hoops. Of course, we want to win, but at the end of the day, we're there to have fun, and we're there to hoop.
Frederick, what are the youth getting out of this? What are you hearing from them?
This is huge because typically, someone from Hamilton Police arrests one of our youth 2 or 3 years ago, and when a youth is enrolled in our program, the key thing with us is that they got to be honest and confess that crime, and they got to work. They got to work to overcome these challenges. So after 2 years of being removed from the judicial system, going through a program, now at the beginning of the game, they get to walk up to the police officer that previously arrested them, share how the program has helped them, and make that reconciliation and present this unity ball saying that youth and police need each other.
Yeah, that's a very powerful moment.
That's huge, right?
Can you have imagined that this was going to grow as big as it has?
No. And actually, too, it wasn't even my idea. It was a youth that I met in Barton prison at that time, 22 years ago, and going through the Liberty for Youth program is like, hey, I really want to make that connection with the police. And then Sergeant Barry Munger and I met, and we said, let's do this, and Jack Vanderpaul, 22 years.
So this is happening at St. Jean de Brébeuf
St. Jean de Brébeuf
on June the 6th. How can people get involved?
Hey, you know what? They can go online, they can donate. Old Republic Canada Insurance is matching every donation up to $20,000, signifying the 20 years that we've done this. And I want to say, you know what, too, social issues or business issues. So, for example, we help 75 youth per year. Our project costs $150,000 to run this program, right? Every dollar spent in prevention saves taxpayers $17. We are saving the Hamilton community $2.5 million in crime prevention.
Wow. So how can people donate? What's the website?
Online, Liberty for Youth, show up to the game. Whenever young people are doing good, it's so important that people come out and rally and cheer them on. This is huge. Yeah,
it's a huge confidence boost. It's a huge partnership with police and youth and getting involved, and good luck to both teams. We don't want to, pick out any favorites, but we'll see who comes out on top this Saturday. Thanks for joining us this morning.
Thank you.